Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add Linktree on Instagram, add your Linktree to your profile, easy guide. So for us to be able to begin, just click onto your Linktree account first. And here, you should be able to see the share icon here onto the upper part. Click onto that and right after, click onto the copy button here to copy your link. Right after, close that one and head onto your Instagram account. So once you're in here, click onto your profile icon here onto the bottom right corner of the screen and click onto edit profile. So there you should be able to find in links, click on add links there and add an external link. So we're gonna paste in here the recently copied link from Linktree and then we're gonna name this Linktree. Alright, after that, click on done and then you should be able to go ahead and save this onto your profile. So as you can see, there is a link already of Linktree onto your Instagram profile. And that is how you could add Linktree on Instagram. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.